think it's great. I don't see anything wrong with it.
Well done. It really is. That's can't get much better than that.
But this is easy. I mean, 2 minutes, blades off, where you might, time you get it jacked up to get under a regular one, you're 15-20 minutes sometimes.
Wow. It took a second to take it off, and it took about 2 seconds to put it back on.
For a woman that has no experience, I was able to do it, so I'm impressed.
Love it. I absolutely love it. It was very easy, very simple, very quick. I like it.
That is a good idea, very good idea. Very good.
I would buy the bagger too, so I could have that on there to change it out.
Sweet, very nice. Fast is an understatement.